welcome to my channel. So today the vlog is all about the exhibition which is held in Hyderabad Numaish near to the Rampalli. So these are all the vendors and shops which I have bought all my Indian wares and as well as the saris and kurtis as well. So here is one of the shop where my mother is bargaining about the dry fruits, and this seller and this vendor is really so cute. He's from Kashmir, so he was giving all to my mother as asked. So I'm so happy. So these rides made me back to my childhood. I used to ride this one very happily with my friends and everybody, with neighbors. So this time I'm missing my childhood so much. So let's see what I got in this all shopping vlog. Hello everyone, how are you all? This is Nazia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Who are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking and subscribing, and who are already following, thank you so much for your love and support. As you people are giving me a 10 views or 100 views or 80 views, still I am keeping myself so that I can do little more vlogs. I'm not sure, I'm so pissed off right now to stop the YouTube channel as it's not growing since 1 year, but still don't know. So let me try one more time in this new year. So okay, the title is all about the Numaish shopping. As you see the vlog, yesterday on Feb 13th, Friday, I went to Numaish Hyderabad exhibition. So Feb 15th is the last day in Hyderabad. So when I'm uploading this, might be it will be the last day, I'm not sure. But it is releasing at 5:30, so that you have a lot of time until 11 o'clock. So you can go and check it out, some good goodies, clothes and some crockery items. So let me start the vlog. As it is a today Valentine's Day, let me wish you happy Valentine's Day. So my Valentine's Day went very so. It's not bad, but it is not good also. But I went for a jewelry shopping, which I'm going to make a short reel. I'll post that in YouTube short as well as in Instagram. You can check it out today itself. Let me show you the next day. It is today Saturday, so Feb 14. So I am making the Numaish exhibition, whatever I bought the products there. So let me do that. There is another one which I went in January. I posted that. I'll keep the link here so that you can check it out in the end. You will get a link what shopping I have done. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do follow my Instagram page and like, share and comment. So let's so go. Much shopping. I think in the first Numaish time when I went in January, it went me around 10,800 price of purchase. This time it been 9,800 around, or 10,000. It's the same. So almost 20 to 22,000 I have spent in Numaish. I don't know how I will pay my credit card bill. So let me start what I will get in the randomly. I'll show you that. So this is the shop where I got a nighties for my mother. She's very comfortable in this, so I felt like let me gift for Eid, as it is Eid is coming. So I feel like she won't wear any saris or churidar, so she's more comfy in the night wear. So this is the nightie, I got it for her, and it is 1,000 for 3. So it's okay, fine. I felt like to ask 1,000 for 4, but it's fine. Sometimes you like something, you want to gift something, so you should not think about money. Even though if it is in your budget, then only. Otherwise, if it is extreme budget, don't think like that. So these are the 3 nighties I got for my mother. She really liked the colors, and this one is my favorite, this green color. So these are 1,000 for 3. So one is when I was entering, when I was coming back after all the shopping, I was got a eye on these chappals, like chappals or whatever you say, flip-ons, or I feel like it is very comfy. It is very like soft and smooth. So this one has been said me around 450 rupees. So I bargained it for 300. They said no, 350. So I felt like 350 is so high, even though 300 is so much high. But it's okay, fine, because I really liked it, and it is really good for daily wear also. Whenever you really want to wear on jeans, shirts, anything, I feel like it's very comfy for me. So that's why I got it for around 300, and he given me for 300. Worth it. But I should ask for 250 rupees. Am I being a more bargaining person? When I got it at the same nighty place where I bought, I'll put the shop number here. There I have got already in 2024 a dress material from them. So it's a hand painting or marble paints of the dresses. So the marble paint dress I already got it. I used like hell, like I just used like hell that dress. Still it's my in my home. So I came last year to a place where I got a marble print unstitched dress. So this time I am taking the printed one. I really, this is like a butter yellow. I got a very good, I seriously on the clothes especially. So this is their hand painting, everything, like if you see it, it's all by hand paint. So this is the top, this is the pant. It's the same one. I think they have given little flowers on the pant, and this is the dupatta. I really like this butter yellow. I really liked one purple one also, but I don't want to buy two on the same design, so that's why I got this. This is the 1300, and he given me for around 900 or something. I felt like to ask for 700, but by the time some other lady came, entered, and she said, give me for 900, I'll take it. Then he was stick to that rate only, so it's fine. This sari, I was like, this like some says like print or something. I really like this sari. I'm so much in love. I never wear this type of they say in Telugu muggu pattern. Muggudi pattern అని అంటారు సంథింగ్ ఆ ప్యాటర్న్లో ఉన్న శారీ ఇది. ఇట్స్ లైక్ సేమ్ శారీ, అండ్ దిస్ శారీ he said me around 1200 or something, and then I got it for around 800. It's the same problem. The lady who entered, she said, I'll give 800, give it, don't bargain anymore. And he said, okay. Me and my mother was supposed to ask this saree for around 600 or 700. Because of that lady, we got lost 100 rupees on this and 100 rupees on that. It's fine. Still, he was telling me I need more 100 rupees on overall. I said, no, that is too much price. So I really got this one. Night dress, night pants. There is a stall nearby Mustafa ice cream, exactly opposite. So there is a 3-4 vendors who are selling night tracks, only night tracks, no tops. So he said around 200, 250, and I asked for give me 200, and he said okay. So I got these 3 like, see, whatever I buy night tracks or any type of sarees or any type of kurtis, I planned very accordingly, because if I buy a kurtis, I'll think that this type of contrast color or same color do have a plazo or not. If I buy any saree, I will think if there is a ready-made blouse in my home, like the blouse which is ready, like then only I'll take that. And as well as the night tracks also, if I have any similar t-shirts or contract t-shirts which match my tracks, then only I will purchase, because I don't want to waste money again on the top. So that's why savings, think smart. So I think very smartly about the clothes and fashions and makeup. So this is the one track I got it. It is light baby pink with the little stripes, if you can see it. And this one is also blue. I really like this one. I have a 3 colors: blue, dark blue, light blue, and white top, so I can wear anything. And this one is my most favorite, red color, red black combination, if you can see it. So I really like this because I have a black top, red top, and this one blue also, this type of teals green type of one. And these 3 I got for 600, best price. Even though in Amirpet you'll get for 300 and 250 this one, but this is really a good price. So now I got some of the Korean nightwears, like it's not full nighty, but it's a Korean night suits, like a nightwear night suits. So this shop I exactly saw nearby Pista House Halim, where it is nearby. If you see, there is a very big shop, very huge big shop. You can see the stalls, lots of stalls inside only, in the big shop only. So I got this 4, actually 3 for me and 1 for my friend. I hope she will like it and she can take it. So each one is around 300 rupees. It's a fixed rate. He said no bargaining, nothing. So it's okay, fine. I felt like it's a worth it. It's not much like what you say, good quality, but it's really a very good quality, I can say. So this is the one I got it with little lace, if you can see, with the purple and pink flower. I don't know, I don't like pink, and I literally end up buying a pink these days. This is the one I got it. It's a almost below to the knees only, so I really like this. And this cloth is a semi cotton cloth, like mixed cotton, not semi cotton, mixed cotton cloth. So I really liked it. You can wear that in summer. This is 300 each. So this one is a Korean style night suit. I really liked it, so I hope my friend also like it. So this is the small size I got it, because if I take medium it will be too loose for me, so I felt like to take little small size, so that it will be little comfy and little hugging to the body. So this is the one, and the same I got it for her in the medium size. It's a 300 rupees. I'm telling you, seriously, it's so worth it. It's near to the Pista House Halim shop. You can check it out. And this one is also similar, like a pink one. It comes with a little lace. If you can see, it's a lace here. So this is also combination of purple and a little yellow brown color flowers. So I really liked it. So for each 300, 4 threes. How much is 4 threes? I'll put the total here. I'm very bad in mathematics. So it's nearby to that Mustafa ice cream shop only. There is a lot of Lucknow, Surat shop vendors who are selling the chicken kurtis and everything, dresses and suits. And as I went in last 3 days, like 13, 14 and 15, they are selling into the bunch, like 4 for 2000, for 3 for 2000 or something like that, and each for 500 instead of I paid in last, in the, if you see the before Numaish vlog, if you see that I paid around 1200, 900 and 700 for some kurtis, but this time I got every kurti whatever I chose. He said 500, and I felt like it's really a very good worthy products to buy it, because in 500 you won't get this much beautiful quality print or design handmade kurtis. So I chose 4 for myself, but a different designs, like different patterns and different designs. So I will show you that. This is the first one, white and light pink. My mother really liked it. You know, in this shop I have taken almost 45 to 50 minutes to choose the kurtis for myself, the best one in my size, because it was so much bundle, like so much ऐसे bundle डाल के थे पूरा. Literally you have to pick and check it out your size. If you like a color, you don't have a size. If you like a print, you don't have that size. If you don't like color but you like pattern, but there is no another color in the same design, so it is very hard for me to choose. But finally I choose 4 tops, which is 500, and I got it in overall in 2000 rupees. That's a worthy. It's the bestest price for me this time. And I'll put the shop number also. He said me the shop number, I'll mention that. If you are seeing me this vlog today in Sunday, I mean tomorrow, when it get uploaded on Sunday, if you can see it, if you are in exhibition, you can go and purchase. This is the one top I got it. It's so beautiful, so nice, pure cotton. I really liked it. So much pinkish work. I never wear this type of pink color, so I really liked it. Even my mother approved. This is the Kota kurti, Kota cloth, you will say. I came to know from my mother, because she told this is a Kota cloth. It's like something little checks and very thin. So this one is also lightest pink with a dual color, like a dye color. If you can see here is light pink, it's a dark pink. There are 2 colors in this. One is yellow and one is this color. Yellow I already got it last time when I went to Numaish in January, if you can see in the link. And this one, that cloth is different. That is little linen cloth type. This is a Kota cloth. So I really like this. This is also 500. It's not my size, but I can wear it. It's little loose, so it's fine. I will put some dots at backside. And brown is something different, dark chocolate brown color. I never wear this color. If you can see my cupboard's color, I think similar to it. It's a little shining, and this is not shiny, it's a matte. So I never used this color in my entire life. So I really like this color so much. And my mother said, you didn't wear this color in your entire life, you should take it. So I got this, and this is also around 500, and I really love the design. If you can see it, I'm not sure my camera is justifying it or not, and it's a very half sleeves, and you have a design here and here. You can wear with the same legging, or you can wear white. I think white will be really good on this. So this is also 500. And the final is red color. I already bought one red color, but that is whole red, like even the work is also, chinkari work is also red color. This one is little different. It comes with a little gota type design, if you can see it. And this is also full design with all sides and everything, with the hand and everything. So if you can see it, I am really liking it. So it's okay, I do have very less red color kurtis. 500. In 2000 I got 4 kurtis. In that same place there were a saris with the same chilkari work, but only left black. They have put lots of colors, but they said it got sold out, only black hi reh gaya hai. So they are selling that for 500 rupees, literally for 500. कौन बेचेगा 500 पे साड़ी? Seriously, I don't know how. I think if you go on last 3 days, you might get very cheaper and less price, very good quality clothes. I think this is the sari she got it. I bought for her for Eid. She loved black. She literally loved black, green and red. So this time I got sari for black color. I usually don't gift black color to anybody, but my mom given me as for evil cut, for negativity. She given me a money back for this, so that we should not have any bad affecting in our relationship, because I am very superstitious person. I believe all those things. I don't give black to anybody. But my mom said, it's okay, fine, I'll give you 100 or something to todka ke liye, like evil eye todka ke liye. So I got it this one, and it is with blouse only. I really liked it. There is a blouse inside. If you can see, this is the plain blouse you got with a little design. So this one is for 500. So there is one more last kurti sets. He was at the these people are from, I think, properly from Charminar. I think, I don't know exactly. They are purely like from Charminar Muslim. I can understand the slang and everything. So there is a lot of show pieces they have mentioned, like this is 999, this is 1200, this is 1600, this is 750. So it is pair like kurta and plazo. Some of them are kurta, plazo and dupatta as well. So I got this black and white combination dress. It's literally looking like a little Pakistani style, very loose. They will wear, no, like little loose and everything. I really loved this one. So it is also cotton. If you can see, it's a mixed cotton. And this one is whole. I really liked it. And this is the pant. I got it with plazo. In the end they have given little buttons, if you can see. It's really so good. It's a mixed cotton, I don't know, but it's so soft and everything. And I got this for, and this one is another black one. I got it, I'll show you that also, then I'll tell the price of this too. So this is the black, pure black, with this multicolor handwork, thread work design. If you can see, I really love this. And there is whole black work also, like the black same color thread work. And this is the pant which I got it with a little lace at the bottom. So these two pairs I got it for 1500. Just imagine, like if you go in Meesho, Myntra, Ajio or any apps or even though any shops, it won't go less than 1200 or 1000 rupees. But I got each for 750. The best deal ever, I would say. I really liked it. Crockeries. I am telling you how much mad I am about the crockeries these days. I don't know why. I'm planning soon to buy a house. I think if my YouTube works by this year, definitely I'll buy a house by next year. So these are the crockeries, as I mentioned earlier in the Nampally exhibition vlog also. There is a, when you enter inside with the second gate, once you take a ticket and once you clear your security checking and everything, there is straightly one crockery item. Where is it? 400 kilo. Yes, exactly 400 kilo. So I got this all under 400. He given me this one's free because last time I chose 4 and he took it off 1, and he said he put it 4, and I said them too, last time you आपने मेरे को धोखा किया, एक स्पून निकाल दिया, एक फोक निकाल दिया और मैंने उसको पे किया. He said I remember you मैडम, शायद वो निकल गया होगा हाथ में से, हम लोगों का कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है निकालने का, ले लो स्पून, आप मत दो, because each this spoon is 15 rupees if you buy separately. तो उन्होंने दे दिया. Very sweet, he remember me, like when I was choosing all this time what design you are choosing, he was asking me. I said no, I'm looking similar only, but every time I'm buying black, so I need little beige color, not even white, also beige color. So he helped me a lot to get this time. So I'll show you one by one. These are the 2 small. Usually my mom liked this, she want for something, so I got this. These are 2 soup bowls. This is so much dusty, I have to clean everything. This is the design, if you can see it. I'll show you, I'll come near and I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you now. So this is the design, I got it. I really loved it. I have to clean everything now. And these 2 are like, oh my god, did you see the design, everything? It's like, bolte na, like, ekdam, I really like this one beige color. This is also so good. And there is one more ramen bowl, very minimal, like very small, not big, because the last year I bought it, it's a little bigger with the same design. If you can see, sometimes in my story I'll put some ramen and I'll eat. So these 2 bowls, so these all I got exactly 1 kilo, whole 1 kilo, 400 rupees, and I'm really liking it. And this fork, I have now 3 and this one 4, so I really liked it. So that's all this vlog. I know this is a very big vlog, so please do watch it out, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Do follow my Instagram page, like, share and comment, and thank you so much for following, and thank you so much for your love and support. Until the next time, this is Nazia signing off.